Kita dekat Itaewon, macam mana nak sebut dah. Ada masjid.
Assalamualaikum. Today we are at Itaewon Mosque. So Itaewon is the most Muslim populated place in South Korea. In Seoul, yeah. So basically, it's a Muslim community. A lot of halal restaurants, a lot of places with Turkish, Indian, Arab restaurants and people here. So the mosque is nice. Actually, it's if you see K-drama, there's a lot of place in Itaewon. They featured this mosque, especially in the film Itaewon Class. So this is nice. But actually, there's a history at this place according to Nam Sushi, our tour guide here. This guy, he said this place has a history of stampede once. So basically, a lot of people died, like 159. Yeah. So that's the dark side of this place.
Let's go.
So okay, we're going now. So this is the mosque. It's a very beautiful place. Yep. Okay.
Alah, nak masuk TV.
Anchor. Kaki sangat sakit lah. So kalau boleh jangan pakai domat lah. Domat sakit kaki. Ada. Pakai kasut boot yang selesa, yang korang boleh bawa untuk berjalan atas snow. Sejuk
CRT group.
Apa jadi tour guide? Dia tour guide.
Car.
Makin ya. Lama style LOA dia. Macam Joker punya tu.
Macam Joker
kan?
Joker
macam kita Joker kan. Style yang ambil gambar sini. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Tu pub. So kita dekat Nam Sanggol, Hanok.
Namsan means south mountain.
South.
Like meaning of my name is South Tree.
South
I don't really
3.
like it. Parents made it. South Nam means south, like Gangnam.
Oh,
Gang
Gang.
means river. So from Han River to South Park, Gangnam.
Oh, Gangnam
And San means mountain.
Mountain.
Namsan literally means South Mountain.
South Mountain. South Mountain. Namsan.
Angkor.
Namsan.
So can you read some?
Last time I can read,
Ah,
but I don't know the meaning. I can
yeah.
No, try to refresh.
So inilah cerita background dia.
Just try to read.
The ancient
This.
name of Namsan, a symbol of soul, and the Korean people is Mok Myeoksan. The mountain has been called Namsan as the south of the capital, taking advantage of Namsan picturesque. Bersama tour guide kita.
Hai.
Tour guide ke tour leader? Tour leader salah. TL. Cik Aziz.
Handsome tu leader.
Cik Aziz kata dia ada darah Korea.
Ya, annyeonghaseyo.
Tiba.
Kamsahamnida.
Anyway, kita ucap kat Cik apa ni, Cik Aziz banyak terima kasih lah. Bantu tadi ada problem sikit. So anyway, siapa-siapa yang nak ni boleh promo lah. Tiba. Promo.
Sejuk.
Sejuk
Here, the main entrance, there are 5 houses, but this is the best house. Sometimes people do traditional wedding here. This is house. I will just set the
What is that?
meeting point here.
Tengok bentuk dia.
But if you everybody comes back earlier, we leave earlier. Okay. So group 6 member.
Yo.
Masuk lu, try lubang. Masuk lu.
Hampir.
Aku tunjuk betul agak.
Oh!
Dia sebab ada batang lain masuk. Kalau susu pisang. Tangan ada satu yang.
Baby dah nangis.
Baby. Okay, jom. So, tamatlah sudah aktiviti pada hari ini. Yang mana kejap lagi kita akan pergi dinner. Dan kita pergi check in hotel yang kedua. So, dalam group travel ni, dia bagi 2 tempat stay yang berbeza lah. So, ada 2 hotel. So, hari ni kita check in hotel lagi satu. Kita baru habis tour kita dekat area Namsan. Okay, Namsan village. Okay, ni tengok beku ni sungai. Besok kita akan pergi sana, tower tu. So, kita ucapkan bye-bye kepada Namsanggol Hanok Village. Makan apa dia bang?
Noodle. Maggi.
Enak gak? Makan ayam Korea, nasi sama Maggi. Very cooking. Look, see? Wow, nak Maggi?
Saya maybe tidur.
It's for Hakim.
We are cooking and then we cooking and then we are cooking the noodles.
Noodles pandai lagi.
We cooking the noodles.
So this is our dinner for hari ketiga kat sini. Before we head up to kita punya hotel lah, next hotel. Makan dulu.
Hello. Dah habis makan dah.
Ada orang macam tengok aku tak pakai gelas sebelah sebab anak muntah. Lepas tu aku punya jaket pun kena muntah tapi sikit je lah. Lepas tu tak nak bagi baby sejuk so aku letak my jaket dekat baby. Sebab nanti takut dia sejuk sebab tadi dia dah muntah. So I have to jadi orang Korea malam ni dan pakai 2 lapis saja. Legend tak? Negative 12 dan pakai 2 lapis sahaja.
Halo semua.
Gelas mana? Oh, gelas basah. Satu bangunan ni North Face yang punya. Kat sini memang orang Korea banyak pakai North Face nampak gaya.
Kan? Dah lah murah lah tu.
Itulah.
Nanti besok ada juga yang beli ni.
Itulah. Saya kena buat balik je.
Besok kita pergi Myeongdong. Myeongdong kat sana macam Petaling Street dah, semua murah-murah.
Ayam belakang sikit sayang. Belakang sikit.
Ayam ni buka atau buka lah.
Ha? Titi betul-betul.
Sejuk.
Saya nak tengok.
So kita punya itinerary untuk hari ni dah habis. Alhamdulillah. Anyway, hari Jumaat pagi kita punya kita kena balik Jumaat pagi, flight pukul 7 pagi. So maksudnya okey, basa sampai.